Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. You don't have to change your mind about anything today. Just crack the door open a little. Take a breath in, and as you inhale, let one thing you thought you had figured out stay a little uncertain. Hold, and as you exhale, intend to let one belief loosen, just slightly, without needing to replace it with a new one yet. Certainty feels safe, but it can also close you off from what's about to surprise you. Today, leave the door open a crack. See what wants to come through. Inhale in again, opening that door, and hold. And as you exhale, invite in the element of surprise. I am sending you so much love. Thanks for taking this time for yourself. Please subscribe to the Instant Alignment wherever you listen. A new tool for peace every day in under 2 minutes.